Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to Google Ads leads using AiSensy. So let's suppose I am running a digital marketing agency and I am collecting all my leads with the help of an ad that I am running on my Google Ads. Now I want that whenever I receive a new lead, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead. As I completely want to automate this process, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Google Ads and AiSensy. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take Google Ads from where I will receive new lead, and then in my action application I am going to take AiSensy, with the help of which I am going to send these automated WhatsApp messages to my leads. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to send automated WhatsApp message to Google Ads leads using WhatsApp by AiSensy. So here I have created an automation workflow with the help of Pabbly Connect, and I have created a connection between Google Ads and WhatsApp by AiSensy in a way that whenever I will receive a new lead in my Google Ads, a WhatsApp message will be automatically sent to that lead. So now we are going to test this workflow automation once, and I am going to send test lead from my Google Ads, and if I receive a WhatsApp message, this means this automation workflow is working perfectly fine. So let's open my Google Ads, and from over here I am going to click on the send test data. Now the test data has been sent successfully and I should receive a WhatsApp message. So let's quickly open my WhatsApp. And here I can see that I have instantly received this message. I have sent the test data in my Google Ads and I have received this response, the first name and the last name. This is the response that I have received from my Google Ads, and I have received the WhatsApp message as soon as the new lead has been received. So now let's start creating this automation workflow from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to Google Ads leads using AiSensy. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Ads and AiSensy with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to send automated WhatsApp message to Google Ads using AiSensy. And now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this WhatsApp automations, and then I have to click on this create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in the workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send automated WhatsApp message to my Google Ads leads, which means whenever I will receive a new lead in my Google Ads, an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead, which means whenever I will receive a new lead in my Google Ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So whenever I receive a new lead in my Google Ads, and then action says do this, then send automated WhatsApp message. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take Google Ads, and then in my trigger event, I am going to take this new lead form entry. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Ads, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my Google Ads account. So this is my Google Ads and this is the test form in my Google Ads campaign, and now I have to select some questions. So over here I want the name, the first name and the last name, the phone number, the email, city, company name, state and country. So now my form will appear like this. And now I simply have to scroll down and search for an option which is lead delivery option. Now over here it's written webhook URL and the key. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste this webhook URL over here. Now I need to enter the key. And now as soon as I click on the send test data, a test data will be sent to my Pabbly Connect workflow from Google Ads, and this will show us whether the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL, that connection is successful or not. Now if I scroll down, I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission. For that, I simply have to click on the send test data, and if Pabbly Connect captured this response, this means the connection that we have created is successful. So let's open my Google Ads, and now I am going to click on the send test data after adding this webhook URL and the key. So test data sent successfully. Now let's open my Pabbly Connect, and if I scroll down, I can see that I have instantly received the response. Here I have received the country as United States, and I have received the region as California, then the company name as company name, city is Mountain View, then the email is test@example.com, then this is the phone number, the first name is first name, last name is last name, and here I have received the test response from my Google Ads. So here I have received the response from my Google Ads here in my Pabbly Connect. Now in this way, if you make the connection with your live campaign in Google Ads, you will also start receiving the response here in Pabbly Connect. So now moving on to the next step, whenever I receive a new lead from my Google Ads, I want to send automated WhatsApp message, and I have to send the WhatsApp message with the help of AiSensy. So here in my action application, I am going to take AiSensy, and then in my action event, I have to take this send template message. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and then we have to enter the API key to make this connection. So let's open my AiSensy account. This is my AiSensy account, and on the left hand side I can see this manage option where I can see this API key. So I will copy this API key and simply paste that API key over here and then click on this save. So WhatsApp by AiSensy is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is campaign name, and to get this, let's open my AiSensy. Now over here in this manage section itself, I can see this all. I will click on this, and here I can see that all the templates that have been created. Now my template is this digital marketing send, and over here this is the message hi demo, and this is the custom variable which will keep changing whenever I will receive a new lead, and this will keep changing with the name of the lead. So the message reads as, hi demo, thank you for showing interest in our agency. We received your inquiry and I wanted to personally reach out to assist you. We specialize in helping businesses like yours grow through tailored digital marketing strategies. I'd love to learn more about your goals and discuss how we can help you achieve them. Feel free to reply here and let's set up a time to chat. Looking forward to connecting with you. Thanks. Best regards. So this is my template, and I have to create a campaign for this particular template. Now if you want to create a new template, you simply have to click on this new button on the top right corner, and you have to select the template category, and then you have to give the name to that template, and then you have to draft the message in a way that you want to send to the person. Then from over here you have to select the language. Now in this way you will be able to create a new template, and now that we have to create a campaign for this particular template, on the left hand side itself I can see this campaigns option where I can see that I have created this digital marketing send campaign. If you want to create a new campaign, you have to click on this launch button, and from this you have to click on this API campaign. Now you have to give the name to the campaign, like the name of my campaign was digital marketing send, this one, and I also want want to name the campaign as this only. So over here you can see this is the same template that we just created. Now over here I have already created a campaign for this, which is this one, digital marketing send, and here you can see that this is the same message. Now what I have to do is simply copy the name of the campaign and paste that name here in my action step field. Now I have to enter the phone number. So I am not going to enter this manually. Instead I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So here I have received the response from my Google Ads, and when I click on this Google Ads, I can see all the response that I have received from here. Now I have to enter the phone number. So I have received this as my phone number. So I will click on this and enter this as my phone number. Now I have to enter the username. So over here I have received the username as the first name and the last name. So this is the first name and this is the last name. And then source tags are not required field. So I'm going to skip this for now. And then I have to enter this template parameter. So over here it is written, enter the parameter values to be filled in the template message here. The parameter value should be comma separated, example this. So over here in this template, I just have this one value, which is the name of the lead. So I am going to enter the value as the name of the lead, which was first name and the last name, and then put space. Now over here if I received any other values, I should put comma and then enter other values. Now as I received only one value, I am going to enter that as the name of the lead. Now over here attributes URL and file name are not required fields, so I am going to skip this. Now over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here if I manually enter any data, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I am going to remove this test number and I am going to put my own number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message that I will receive on the execution of this workflow. So I am going to remove this for now and enter my own WhatsApp number. And then after entering my number, I have to scroll down and simply click on the save and send test request. So here I have received the response. The result is true. Now I need to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received the message there or not. So here I can see that I have received the message instantly, and over here this has been replaced with the name of the lead, first name, last name. Hi first name, last name, thank you for showing interest in our agency, and this is the same template that we have created. Now so as to check this one last time, let's open my Google Ads account again and send this test data again. And if I receive the WhatsApp message, this means this workflow is working perfectly fine. So test data sent successfully. Now let's open my WhatsApp. And here I can see that I have again received the message. Now to summarize, we took Google Ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We sent the test data from my Google Ads account and received the response over here, the test response over here in my Pabbly Connect. Now after receiving a test response, I want to send WhatsApp message to this lead. So I took WhatsApp by AiSensy as my action application where I entered the campaign name, entered the mobile number and the username and the template parameter, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as these messages being sent to my WhatsApp number. So we have successfully created automation between Google Ads and WhatsApp by AiSensy with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.